Okay, let's begin. Your question is, cyberbullying is one of the greatest problems in the world today. How would you solve this? Again, cyberbullying is one of the greatest problems in the world today. How would you solve this? Sa Tagalog, cyberbullying ang isa sa pinakamalaking problema na kinakaharap natin sa mundo ngayon. Paano nyo ito mariresolbahan? Again, cyberbullying ang isa sa pinakamalaking problema ang kinakaharap natin sa mundo ngayon. Paano mo ito mariresolbahan? Your 1 minute starts now. Time is up. So, candidates, please stop writing your answers. Okay, pencils up, ball pens up, everyone. Okay. Okay, so, sa mga candidates, babasahin nyo yung mga answers nyo individually. Okay? Let us start to our candidate number 6. Please stand up, candidate number 6, and read your answers to us.
So, good morning everyone. My answer is, I will seek help with the professionals, and with their help, I will post it through social media as this serves as a big platform in our generation today. I will also help by uplifting their confidence and sharing their uniqueness. That's all, thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, and now moving on with candidate number 9.
Of cyberbullying is to not take people's harsh words to heart and to take off of social media. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that answer, candidate number 9. And now, candidate number 11.
Ito po ang sagot ko base sa aking opinion. Baliwalain lamang ang lahat ng sinasabi. Gawing inspirasyon ng ito at bitihan lamang silang lahat. At syempre, huwag tayo magpapadala sa mga sinasabi sa akin. Ito lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. And now for our next candidate, candidate number 5.
When I think of cyberbullying, I always think about what our very own Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach said, think before you click. Which is for us to be more open-minded that every actions that we will gonna take has a great responsibility. As Bible says in Luke chapter 6 verse 31, do unto others as you would like them to do you. Maraming.
Now for our final candidate, candidate number 10.
For that question, ladies and gentlemen, my answer is I'm going to conduct an advocacy named Malayang Kabataan. And from the word itself, Malaya, people are going to have their freedom to raise their voice, to stand up, and to stand for their rights. And with this, I will make a community where each and everyone will feel safe, valued, and loved. And
iba yung mga thoughts and opinions na meron sila tonight.
Grabe, partner. Nakita talaga natin yung different opinions ng ating mga candidates, which is a good thing kasi makikita natin na may pinaglalaban talaga sila.
Yes, and what's really nice about this one is hindi sila sa stage yung mga sagot nila regarding a serious matter.
That's right, partner. So, without further ado, female candidates, you can proceed to our backstage. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And now may we call on the male or the top 5 male candidates for their final segment. Once again, for our final segment, back to zero po tayo. So, madi-disregard po yung mga awards, major awards natin. Lahat po ng score natin ay manggagaling dito sa final Q&A.
Where's the other one, which is candidate number 9? Yeah, candidate number 9.
Okay, for our male candidates, ready na ba kayo for your final question and answer?
Ready na?
So these are your folders and your pen. Once na natapos po yung 1 minute, pencils up, and then sasagot po kayo isa-isa regarding your thoughts and opinion in our question. So this is your final question. Do you think being handsome will get you far in life? Again, do you think being handsome will get you far in life?
In Tagalog, sa inyong palagay, ang pagiging guwapo ba ay magdadala sa inyo sa malayong lugar or sa malayong journey? Mas magandang kinabukasan? O yung pagiging guwapo ba ay magdadala sa inyo sa mas magandang kinabukasan?
Your 1 minute starts now.
Ball pens up everyone and ball pens up everybody.
Okay, our 1 minute is up. Thank you so much and congrats sa ating top 5 finalists. Are you guys ready to read your opinion regarding our final Q&A now? Let's start with
Candidate number 11. So the question is, do you think being handsome will get you far in life? Sa Tagalog, sa tingin mo ba na ang pagiging guwapo ay magdadala sa iyo sa magandang kinabukasan?
Oo, dahil ngayong gabi, nakikita naman natin ang oportunidad ng bawat isa. Makikita naman natin ng bawat mukha ng mga taong ito. Salamat, maraming salamat.
thank you so much to our first candidate and now moving on to our second finalist, which is candidate number 10. So the question is, do you think being handsome will get you far in life?
Yes, being handsome will make you far in life because like actors, they achieve a lot by being handsome and being themselves. And that is why being a showbiz model is one of my dreams, and I know that someday I will make it. Thank you so much.
Now let us all proceed to our next candidate, candidate number 4. Please stand up, candidate number 4.
Dahil ang pagiging gwapo ay magdadala sa iyo sa magandang kinabukasan. Kung ito ay gagamitin mo sa tama at wala kang makapakang tao, yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
para po sa akin ay hindi po. Dahil hindi lang po itsura ang basihan para mabuhay sa mundo. Kailangan mo din po ng tamang pag-iisip at sipag sa katawan. Kailangan po.
Thank you so much for that answer, candidate number 7. Yeah. This is for candidate number 7.
The answer is yes and no. Dahil ang pagiging handsome ay hindi ibig sabihin ay lahat. And kaya, yes, kasi ang pagiging handsome ay kaya tanggawin isang model o inspirasyon ng mga kabataan na sumali sa mga pageant at maging artista. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9.
Okay, iba rin ang mga thoughts and opinions ng ating top 5 for our male candidates. Meron meron hindi.
Tama, partner. Actually kasi di ba, may kanya-kanya tayong perspective and opinions. And nire-respeto natin ang bawat isa.
And what's really nice about their opinion is that pare-pareho sila na kailangan gamitin sa tama yung mga itsura natin.
Tama. And with that, for our male candidates, you guys can proceed to our backstage and congratulations in advance.
Good luck, male candidates.